Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED notifications for your Xiaomi 12X. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the app called Notifybuddy from our Google Play Store. So I open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here I will write Notifybuddy and hit the search button. Now that's the app that we're searching for, and we can install it. When the installation process is done, we can select to open the app and go to the next step, from which we'll need to grant the app 2 permissions. So let's just do that. Select the first one and find the app and allow notification access. Here you will need to select the button right here, and after the timer is gone, we can press on the OK button. Now go back and grant the overlay permission as well. Find the app, allow, go back, and the third option right here is battery optimization, which is totally optional. If the app doesn't work properly for you, I'd recommend actually disabling it. So now let's just move to the next step and press OK. And from here we can start using our app by going through all of these tabs. So the first tab is the user, and here you can see all the apps that you've installed on your phone that are not system bound, and you can select any of these apps to get this custom notification LED. So I'm just gonna pick TikTok, and the next tab is system, where you can see all the system apps, and you can also make the custom LED notifications, for example calendar. Now in the active apps you'll see all of the apps that you just activated, and you can disable them here. Now if we go to the settings, we can customize our LED by changing its size, position, shape, or even the time between the blinks, but some of the settings are locked behind the premium version. But if we press on the test button, we can see the LED lamp and how it's gonna look. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.